Hail Thor, son of Odin, wielder of Mjolnir. I offer you, Thor, this dragon's blood incense, made from pure ingredients. Thor, son of Odin, god of thunder, of strength, of courage, and he who fights the forces of chaos. I pour this spice into your bowl, Thor, son of Odin, for this bowl is for you at this time. Thor, son of Odin, slayer of frost giants, protector of man, and wielder of the power to slay Jormungand, time itself, I offer you this mead, Chaucer's. Hail, Thor, son of Odin, wielder of Mjolnir. Thor, son of Odin, I ask that you watch over my life. Provide me with strength where it is lacking, with courage where I know fear, and with protection where chaos impedes upon me. Never allow me to fall to confusion, to insanity. Allow me to rise as you rise, Thor, son of Odin, with strength, with commitment, with a sureness of foot that brings me closer to the gods. Thor, son of Odin, you guard the gateway between our realm and the realm of chaos. And you guard this gateway in our hearts, that we only know those who are devoted to you. How to follow the path of strength, the path of the gods, the path of truth, from bottom up, from strength to virtue. Thank you, Thor, son of Odin, for accepting these offerings and listening to me. May our relationship be ever strong, ever true. Hail, Thor, son of Odin.